I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. Even got my foot on gas, never.
Yo, I'm back again with the same Toyota Camry, man. I'm doing the VVT Solenoid on this one. Here goes the new one. This is the one that I ordered, but I think I'm gonna order the exact one that I pulled out. This look like it's close to the one that I pulled out. If I flip it over, you can see it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ports. The other one that I have another port right at the bottom. I don't know if it make a big difference, but it also have a hole in the back. So oil got to go through it. So I'm gonna show you how to replace it, but I'm not gonna put this one in. I will go ahead and get me a original. I'm gonna show you the original take out. Okay, these are the trouble codes that I run on that vehicle. I'm not worried about the P0171 right now. I'm gonna fix this issue and see if that issue leaves. I don't know, but if it don't, that's the O2 sensor, oxygen sensor. I'm looking at the P0012, over retard of camshaft, position 8 time in bank 1. Most of the time they say that is the VVT Solenoid. That's what we'll be working on today. But before you go ahead and you start changing your VVT Solenoid, it could be bad. You gotta check your oil. If your oil is dirty, if you got sluggish oil, it can clog up the VVT Solenoid. Some people take them out and clean them out with brake parts cleaner. I don't have time for that. They also said that your oil can't be low. It can, because it's not enough oil to go through the VVT to make it the timing. If you have any issue like spark plugs, check all that. Even inside your oil pan, the filter could be clogged up if you got sludge in the engine. So it's a lot of stuff you can check before that. YouTube got some good things about it. So I will be showing you how to do the replacement. Okay. That is your VVT Solenoid right here. It's right in the back of your engine. See, this is the engine. You go straight right here. Bam. That's it right here. All right. How you get it off? It's a little clip right here. You press it in. And you pull that out. All right. When you pull it out, right there, this bracket goes here. It's a 10 millimeter that goes in that bracket. You got to take that out. It's cold out here. That's why my hand's shaking. Take that out and you move that bracket at the bottom. Also, that clip on it, take that clip off and put it somewhere up top, because when you pull this out, it's going to hit that clip. Right below it is a 10 millimeter bolt. You can feel it with your hands. All right. I'm going to see if I can show you the camera. Right there. See it? That right there. 10 millimeter. It's right all over the plug. I'm going to show you on the new one. This the new one. It goes in like this. Like this. Right at the bottom. See that? Is the nut. Take that 10 millimeter out. And now your VVT Solenoid is ready to be taken out. All you do, you twist it to get it break free, and then you just pull it out. If it's hard to come out, right there, you gonna have a little thing, get a screwdriver and put it right here and just pry it out. And it comes straight out. All right, it just come out like that, just like that. Okay, you remember I was telling you how mine look? This is my original I just pull out. Okay, you see how mine is? I was telling you, it's one here, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that other hole at the bottom. The new one, it's close to it. Here it go. Right here. See that? Match them up. I always match your parts up. I want the original. This might be able to work. It just don't have that little hole at the bottom, as you can see. The procedure is opposite of how I told you to take it out. But I'm going to go ahead and just show you how to reinstall it. All right. You get your new VVT Solenoid, and you just see the hole. You just go ahead and put it back in that hole and push it in all the way. When you push it in, you're going to hear that snap. You hear it? Line up the bottom hole, put the 10 millimeter in, tighten it down. Take your clamp you took off of here, put it back on. Take this up, put it back here, put the 10 millimeter back in there. Put this 10 millimeter back at the bottom of this nut. Tighten it. Don't tighten it tight, just snug it. Then you go ahead and you reinstall your power plug. Bam. And that's the way how you replace your VVT solenoid in a 2009 Toyota Camry LE 2.4 liter. I also got videos on these coils and spark plugs I've been replaced. I got on the valve cover, and also I have on these pigtails that I've put in here brand new. So that's the end of this video. Hope it helps somebody. But that's what you do when you get that code. Take you back over here to the scanner. P0012 was my code, but it got it, I think, from P0010 on up. Okay, so y'all have a great day, and thank y'all for watching this video, man. But you know what you need to do? You need to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. All right, it's free. It don't cost no money, man. Do the good deed. Yeah. VVT Solenoid replacement. Big up to the Virgin Islands, St. Croix, St. Thomas, St. John, Keyboard and Cecil. Yeah. Big up St. Croix. To the next one. Massive.